Who is eligible for pension? A central government employee who joined in pensionable service prior to 1/1/2004 is eligible for pension. Temporary employees retiring on superannuation pension with not less than 10 years service qualifying for pension. When can you get pension? Pension is also payable before the age of superannuation on voluntary retirement after rendering 20 years of qualifying service or after attaining the age of 50 or 55. What are your retirement benefits? Retirement benefits comprises of the following: pension, commutation of a proportion of pension, and retirement gratuity. How are your pension retirement benefits worked out for service gratuity? It is calculated at exactly the half of a month's emolument for each completed 6 monthly period of qualifying service. Your pension is calculated at 50% of last pay drawn. Minimum pension is Rs 9,000, whereas the maximum pension amount is 1,25,000. You have an option to commute a portion of pension not exceeding 40% of it into a lump sum payment. Your retirement gratuity is calculated at the rate of 1/4 months emoluments for each completed 6 months period of qualifying service, subject to a maximum of 16.5 times the monthly emoluments. Download the calculator from the Play Store, link given in the description.